Hello everyone, my name's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate Group, powered by eXp. This is Kevin Belzer, and we are back again. Kevin, where are we at?
We're at Power Ranch, specifically 4081 East Wagon Circle in Gilbert, Arizona.
All right, Kevin, why is this considered a premium lot?
Well, first, it's a north-south facing home, but even better yet, it's across from one of the 25 pocket parks in Power Ranch.
Perfect, so you get the best of both worlds with the park. It's right across the street. You don't have to worry about the cleanup. What exactly does this pocket park have?
Basketball, volleyball, the ramadas, the sitting areas, as well as plenty of room to do activities.
Perfect. All right, one more thing to share with you before heading inside. Kevin?
We're going to go to the brand new Gilbert Regional Park.
Stay tuned. Welcome to the brand new Gilbert Regional Park. A lot to go over. Let's talk about the size first, Kevin. How big is this park?
272 acres.
272, that's huge.
It's so big, they're breaking this down into phases.
So let's talk about phase one.
Okay, so you got phase one's actually broken down twice. So you got phase 1A, which is all about the toddlers and the tots. So in that one, you got the 4,000 square foot splash pad that they even lighted up so it can be used in the evening.
Nice.
You've got the climbing tower that has several different levels on it, and it's got everything from slides to swings to a zip line.
Perfect, and there's plenty of ramadas as well. All right, let's talk about phase B, Kevin. What do you got?
Okay, so we have a 7-acre lake, a performance pavilion / amphitheater, 10-acre event lawn, 16 pickleball courts, 6 tennis courts, 2 basketball courts, I know that'll make you happy, and 6 sand volleyball courts.
Wow.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Last but not least, let's talk about the last phase. There's a ton of stuff to go over on this one.
There is, and you know that I'm going to be most excited about this one because it has to do with water.
Love it.
Yep. So in 2021, the Strand, a 25-acre water park, is coming right here. It's going to have a cable wake park, a surf lagoon, a sandy beach, restaurants, and more.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dude, who needs to go to Disneyland?
Well, yeah, the crazy thing about Gilbert is that they were already #1 family city in all of Arizona. I think that they just want to permanently have the crown and never give it up.
No, I think they want to be #1 in the universe. We are finally inside this beautiful home in Power Ranch. Kevin, let's talk specs.
This home is 1,724 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story with a 2-car garage.
And a huge feature about the property is when you walk in, there's vaulted ceilings. Why is that so important?
It gives that open feeling to the home.
And makes it feel a lot larger. All right, a lot of upgrades in this beautiful home. Let's start with the kitchen, Kevin.
Upgraded maple cabinets. You have brand new handles on them. The granite was recently installed as well.
Perfect. And as far as the flooring goes?
You have real wood flooring throughout the first floor.
And then I did notice that the fireplace itself, it's a double-sided fireplace.
It is, and it's gas, and it's not the only gas thing in the house. Your stove in the kitchen is also gas.
So for all of those that are hardcore on the gas, you are covered here with the gas stove. Now, that's it for some of the upgrades on the inside. Let's go take a peek on why this is a premium lot.
Well, Power Ranch offers 25 pocket parks, 200 acres of open space, and a network of 26 miles of trails. Now, where this house is located, it's walking or biking distance to the Ranch House Clubhouse and Community Park. It features a 4,000 square foot ranch house that offers an outdoor pool, catch and release fishing lake, playground, sand volleyball and basketball courts, picnic and event pavilions, a 10-acre soccer complex, and lakes and trails.
We are finally here in the backyard. Kevin, what are some of the upgrades here?
First, we should probably point out that it has a walkout balcony off the master bedroom.
Perfect. And one of the things that I noticed is a lot of mature landscaping, and it feels very private.
It does. It has that oasis type, very private feel. I like how they painted the back walls black. At night, this place just shows so beautifully.
And then of course, there's plenty of palm trees. And then last but not least, Kevin, there is one more upgrade here.
There's this giant body of water that you know I have to check the temperature of it.
Are you sure?
I am absolutely 1,000% positive that I have got to get in there.
Dude, Kevin, you can't be jumping in the pools like this.
Why not? It's very comfortable, Phil.
It's behind you, Kevin.
What's behind me?
All right, Kevin, if they want to set up a showing, what is the best way to go about doing that?
Well, first of all, Phil, I told you this was not that big of a deal. I can clearly take down showing. But if they want to call us to set up a showing, it's 480-305-6655. Or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com. And we promise we'll remove the shark from the pool prior to you closing on this home.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any questions about buying or selling, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.